Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi AIoT router AX3600, and now I can show you how to connect this printer to your smartphone, how to pair it, how to perform the first setup of this printer. So normally you can do it with the Xiaomi Mi Home application, but unfortunately not in our case. So why we can't do it? Basically it's because we have no supporting of this application in the Xiaomi Mi Home app. So as you can see, I have the latest version of Xiaomi Home application, but unfortunately this app don't support the router AX3600. So you can click add button, add device, scroll down, find here router, and here you can find the AX3600 router, but unfortunately it doesn't work. This button doesn't work too, so we need to make it in the other way. So to connect, firstly I suggest you open the settings and find your Wi-Fi, and here find your Xiaomi network. In my case it's here. So by default your network needs to be opened without the password. If your network has the password, so you need to reset your router using the reset button. Then select your country or region and click to select. Find your country. I have a country Poland, for example. Click I have read and click try it now. Now we have internet guide, so click next and cool. So Wi-Fi name, so now we can change the Wi-Fi name, for example Xiaomi RR. Wi-Fi password, so now you need to create the Wi-Fi password. So in my case it will be 12345678. Make Wi-Fi password the router administrator password, or you can create another password for admin access for this side of setting up the printer. Enable 160 MHz dynamic bandwidth to hide trustpad and better coverage. Okay, of course, and click next. And great, setup complete. Restarting, so the router is restarting right now, so wait a while. As you can see, cool, it has restarted. So now I have lighting system and internet LEDs. Now open your settings again. I don't know how it has happened, but it was really great. So reload your Wi-Fi, and here you will see your Xiaomi new network. Click on it, enter the password you have created a minute ago. Click join. And great, cool. Now as you can see I have internet connection, and now I can open the speed test. And by clicking go, we can check the speed of this network. And as you can see, maybe the speed of my network too weak right now. So Xiaomi RR. So cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.